Okay, so yesterday I'd asked you to finish writing out the priority list based upon the critical path. And so let's check our answers with that just to go through this and make sure that we've got them all right here. When I left you yesterday, we had come up with the first three, T5, T6, T1, because each time we're picking the first task in whatever the critical path is. So where we left off, we had two that were at 23. We're always using the highest numbers. And but they're both T4. They both start with T4, right? So it's clear 23 is the new critical path now, but they both start with T4. So T4 is definitely the next priority. And then anything that has a T4 in it, we are going to subtract 12 minutes from because task 4 is 12 minutes long. So this has a T4. 15 minus 12 is going to be 3. This has a T4. 23 minus 12 is going to be 11. T4. 15 minus 12 is 3. And here's another T4. And 23 minus 12 is 11. Okay, so now again, we're going to be looking at, keep this going. The next critical path is now 19 minutes with T8. So T8 should have been your next priority on there. This is the only one that has T8 in it. T8 is 4 minutes long, so 19 minus 4 is 15. Okay. Again, this is still the longest now. 15 is the longest of all 6 of the paths left. So the next priority is going to be T9. This is the only one with the T9. So we're going to subtract 9 minutes from T9. 15 minus 9 is 6. Next is 11 is the longest, and both of those are just T7. This is T7, this is T7. So it has to be T7 is the next thing. We get to erase this whole thing. That's all done. 8 minutes is the longest now, and that starts with T2 rather. Subtract that off. T2 is 5 minutes, so that leaves us with 3. So it should be obvious now there are only 2 left. If you look at what's up here, task 3, task 3, task 3, and then task 10. Task 10 is longer. So to finish this up, I'm going to have to continue down here. Task 10 followed by task 3. This is your correct priority list. Okay? So that's the priority list that I'd like you for today. What I'd like you to do is, if you go back to the handout from yesterday, which is right here. So what I want you to do is, we listed this priority list. That's the answer. And I'd like you just to work on simply scheduling this out on 2 machines, 2 processors, using that priority list. So that's what I'd like for you to work on today. And then tomorrow we will go over the answer to that.